Hi Brainbox, welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. In this video, we will be discussing prime factorization, as well as some tips to make sure you don't end up making careless mistakes. Before you continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted about other review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. Prime factorization is the process of breaking down a number into its prime factors. In prime factorization, we break up a number into pairs of factors, and then we break up those factors even further into smaller factors, and so on until we are only left with prime numbers. In this video, we will be showing you prime factorization using the tree method. It's called the tree method because you branch off at every composite number. As an example, let's break down 120 into its prime factorization. To do so, we build what is called a prime factorization tree. At every level in our tree, we split a number into two factors. Let's call this step branching off. To start, we take 120, then branch off into 2 and 60. Remember, any factor pair will do. Let's inspect the chosen factors 2 and 60. 2 is prime, so we no longer have to break it down any further. 60, on the other hand, can be expressed as the product of 15 and 4, so we can branch off there. 15 and 4 can be decomposed even further. 15 can be branched off as 3 times 5, while 4 can be written as 2 times 2. We then take all of the primes on the tree, which can be found by looking for numbers without any branches. We write them down in a line for our final answer, and we are done. The prime factorization of 120 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. When testing out potential factors to branch off, try small primes first. Try 2, 3, 5, and 7 first before testing bigger numbers. Using the divisibility rules for these small primes can make factor finding faster, thereby making the whole prime factorization process slightly faster. When you build your prime factorization trees, encircle any primes so that it is easier to identify them once all composite numbers or non-primes have been successfully branched off. When we arrange primes in ascending order, we can focus on finding all the copies of a certain prime factor before moving on to the next. Doing so minimizes the risk of forgetting to carry over any factors we found in the tree into the final list. To test your learning from this video, let's try to find the prime factorization of a few numbers. Remember that our solution may not be the only solution in finding the prime factorization. However, the final answer should always remain the same, regardless of whichever factors you chose along the way. Number 1. Find the prime factorization of 42. For number 1, we have to find the prime factorization of 42. To start, we branch off 42 into 21 and 2. Then, we branch 21 off into 3 and 7. We collect all the primes, and then we have the prime factorization. 42 equals 2 times 3 times 7. Number 2. Find the prime factorization of 100. For number 2, we are asked to find the prime factors of 100. 100 can be branched off into 10 and 10. Each 10 can be split into the prime factors 2 and 5. None of the numbers remaining can be split since all of them are primes, which means we are done building our tree. We then collect all the primes, then list them down as our final answer. 100 equals 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. Finally, for number 3, find the prime factors of 30. The first factor pair selected was 6 and 5. 5 is a prime, so we leave it alone. 6, however, can be branched off into 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are both prime, which means we are done with finding the prime factors. We list them all down, giving us our final answer. 30 equals 2 times 3 times 5. That's all for today. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.